Let's see if we got oil leaking out yet. I only got her up to about 180 degrees, 160, 70 degrees. I would have gone further, but it was looking like it was about to rain. So where it was leaking yesterday was right up in there, over on the other side. I'm gonna go on the other side over there. There's a little oil seeping out the back of the intake manifold. Right there. And I see something shiny right there. I bet it's hot too, but let me reach a finger in there and touch that. See, that's oil right there. And that's coming out not from the manifold, but from that, I've got a little, what do you call that, vent. I've got a little crankcase vent. This car came with a, this engine came with a sort of a different kind of crankcase vent, little dome thing that screwed down onto that. And what I've got put in there is just a round piece of rubber, like a rubber bushing that fits in there kind of snug. But there's oil leaking out of it. I might have to break down and order one of them things that I've seen that they run on these kind of cars. They ran on these kind of cars back in the day, in order to stop that. Oh, money I don't want to spend, but I can. I went ahead and put a coat of clear coat over my valve covers where them stick-on letters were that I put on yesterday. They look pretty fair. I don't think the paint I put on there was the right paint because it crinkled it a little bit, but I'm thinking, well, on a motor like this, a little crinkly look. Makes it just look like it's as old as it is, and I ain't minding that too much. So we'll leave that be for now. I'll go in the house and I may just break down and order me one of them crankcase vent things. I'll be done with it. I'm getting tired of being tired. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm acting like I'm so tired all of a sudden. I think I may just be lazy. My mama used to say that I was just lazy sometimes. I might just be lazy.